Hey guys, if you're getting this screen right here, it just means, for now, actually right now, it means that there's an update happening. So you can check that out. You can go into Google, just go into Epic Games and see if there's any downtime for anything. So right now, if we go into Fortnite to see whether it's working or not, it tells us that it's under a scheduled downtime. So right now, they're actually working on the update. Once that's done, we can just update our Fortnite and we're done. So what I suggest is not keep trying and trying and retrying. So right here, you can press retry. So you can press X, A again, sign in, and retry. That's not gonna work because it's downtime. So, and once downtime is over, this is not gonna refresh anything. So you should just close Fortnite and open it up again once downtime is over. However, if you're watching this video when Fortnite is actually working, then for Xbox, for example, all you have to do is reset your MAC address. And for PlayStation or Switch, just restart your consoles. By the way, for Xbox, same thing. You can restart your console and that could fix your issue. If you guys have any sign-in errors, you might want to check your Wi-Fi if your internet's working. So check out other games if you can actually log into them, play them online. Then that means your Wi-Fi is fine. It's just Fortnite. But as of now, what I can tell you is that Fortnite is down at the moment. So there's no way to play it at the moment. Just wait for it. Update's coming up. I don't think the update's going to be that big. The update should be actually pretty nice. So let's just wait for it and then play once we can. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.